I hope everyone is well. Today I will show how we can buy UpWork Connect. There are two ways we can use to buy UpWork Connect. 1. MasterCard. 2. UpWork Balance. Those who don't have a MasterCard can purchase UpWork Connect using their family member's MasterCard. Moreover, we can buy UpWork Connect through UpWork Balance, or works on any project you can make UpWork Balance. So now I will show how we can buy UpWork Connect through UpWork Balance. We will click on the Connects option here and click on Buy Connect. You can see here I have 11 Connect. From here we can select how many Connect to buy. Here 10 Connect for $1.5 and 300 Connect for $45. How much Connect you need depends on the balance, but you can buy it from here. I will buy 20 Connect for $3 to show you. After selecting it, but I get 31 Connect. Before there was 11 balance and 20 Connect added for $3. Total here is 31 Connect, then click Buy. Now my available balance. Here's our Connect Coast showing 20 Connect $3, then click Buy. Here I have 31 Connect. Before my balance was $319. Now my balance $326. In this way we can buy Connect very easily through UpWork Balance.